Hey you guys, I am here with the simplest DIY that I could possibly bring to you guys. And my mini heat press is on. I'm going to put it on the third level and I'm going to let that warm up while I show you exactly what I got. So I picked up these fabric bags at the Dollar Tree and they're 2 for $1.25. So I thought they were a perfect size and you get two of them, you guys. If you find them, pick them up, and they also sell them in three for $1, I think. So I just want to show you real quick what I end up doing. So I was on my Cricut and I end up making the initials of my kids' teachers. So I thought it would be really cool. I cut up a little piece of my protector. So I'm just going to go ahead and weave this out with you. This is the cutest thing for a gift. This is going to be for a gift for Halloween. So I thought I had these bags, and of course the string is red, but that's okay. I don't mind. I'm going to go ahead and add the vinyl decal in the black just so I can make it stand out and it looks more like Halloween. So I decided, why not? Look how cute this is. And I found this on my Cricut. So if you want to go ahead and make one, go ahead and check out your Cricut. It has a ton of things you can play with and you can use. And I did this a 4x4. I thought that was a great size. And you can see it's green already. And once it's green, it just says that it's ready to use. I like to go ahead and just press down on my bags. Make sure I iron on any wrinkles, because I won't want any wrinkles until I give the gift to the teachers. So this is going to be for a little Halloween gift. So I thought it would be cool. And I will show you when I fill it up. This is just the process. So I went and I did her name. Look how cool that looks. And those are her initials. So that's her first name and last name. And then I'm just looking right in the middle. Go ahead and grab yourself a ruler if you need to measure. I always measure, pre-measure. I'm one of those people. I just like to get it right the first time, because you do all that work to go ahead and cut your vinyl, go ahead and mirror it, make sure it looks just right for you to mess it up. At least let's try not to. I know every DIY is different, and I know that every DIY is special. But look how cute that looks. Now you can make it in pink, you can make it in blue, you can make it any color you want. I chose the black because I am giving them a Halloween gift, and this is the first year I make a Halloween gift. So I'm very excited. I'm just gonna go ahead and press it down. Just like you're pressing a regular t-shirt, go ahead and do the 15 and then the 15 if you want, or do the 35 in total. If you need more guidance, because I didn't look it up or nothing, I just did it like I'm pressing down a t-shirt, like when I make the t-shirts. And I know for the t-shirts and the belts, it's usually 35 and then 15 and 15 when you flip it or something like that. So I'm just doing exactly like I'm doing a t-shirt. Then I'm going to go ahead and remove it and remember, it's hot. Do not touch it because it does get a little hot. Look at it, it's hot. We're going to let that dry. If it's not ready to peel, let it dry. That's all you need. Go ahead and press it again. So it's all just like making a t-shirt basically. But the one trick that I learned is let it dry, you guys. Once you're done pressing it, put it to the side and let it dry. And that's going to help it to go much easier. So I'm going to go ahead and prep the next one while this one is going to dry. I'm just going to leave it there. So, of course, like I said, I have two teachers, a first grader for my first grade, and then the one in fourth grade. So, a fourth grade teacher. They're both women. So, I'm going to make sure I give them the exact same gift, just in case, So, let me know, you guys. Are you giving your teachers a Halloween gift this year? Or do you not give the teachers? I don't know. This is my first time doing it. I'm going to go ahead and weave this out for you. But I was confused. Like, do you give them? Do you not give them? And then I decided, you know what, Susie? Let's give them. So I made these cute little bags for them. And I decided to put their names on the first day of school, the meet and greet. I took a picture of their names that they had on the door to make sure that I spelled it right, because they're going to be with my kids for the whole year. So I decided to take a picture, and then I just have that picture ready. So when I need to know their names or I need to personalize a gift, I thought that was cool. So look at this one. This came out super cute. This is Miss P, and that's what they call her. So I decided to put MP on there for Miss P. I'm going to go ahead and measure it again because you know how I am. So let me know if you guys like these little bags. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel because I have so much more coming up for you guys. So make sure you guys subscribe. Go ahead and enter the giveaway. I do have a giveaway. If you haven't entered it, go ahead and enter it. Little decent gift card in there for Dollar Tree as well, in case you guys want to pick up these bags. You guys, I love the fact that I picked them up. They were the best thing that I got so far this year of Dollar Tree. They are 2 bags and they are 7x9. So they are perfect. Wait until you see what I'm going to fill them with. That'll be in my next video. You guys are going to be like shocked when I fill them up. They're going to be so cute, so simple, and yet so adorable for your DIYs. So go ahead and custom make some bags. This size is a perfect size. If you do want it smaller, go ahead and buy the 3 for $1. So all I'm going to do is take off the plastic because they are ready. Once it dries up, or like cool to touch is what they say on there, you remove the plastic and there you go. You have a personalized fabric gift bag for your teacher, for your student, for your mother, for a birthday gift, for any celebration you want. Add the kids' initials for birthday parties, little goodie bags. You guys, the idea I'm giving you is endless, so take advantage of it. Trust me, as soon as I thought about it, I thought of you guys to share it with you like always. I'm going to go ahead and peel the next one. And I want to show you a little trick that I do. I don't know if anybody else does it. I go ahead and I press it again just to make sure that decal is not going anywhere and is not peeling off. I give it a final press and I learned that that helps a lot, and it helps from lifting, from creasing, from anything you can think of. That is my little tip. I decided to share it with you this time, guys, because I didn't want to keep it to myself. But that is my personal tip that I do when I add a vinyl to fabric, and it helps. Let me tell you, so far none of the bags have lifted. I'm going to show you how it looks close. Look at how cute that is. And then I'm just going to fill it up, but that'll be in the next video. I want to kind of fill it up with you guys so you see what I'm going to put in there. But yeah, look how cute they came out. Enjoy, you guys. And until next time, bye, you guys.